Photosynthesis, a mechanism where nature utilizes solar energy to convert carbon dioxide exhaled by people into oxygen. The world-renowned artist Shinichi Osawa was inspired by this act of nature and released his new song, Photosynthesis No. 1. How should we launch this song? Instead of noisy advertisements that clutter the town, the concept of photosynthesis was realized through a promotion utilizing nature itself as the advertising media. Singing nature. Nature takes on a voice to sing. The technology that turns plants into speakers, devices placed at the stems, transmit vibrations that create the sound to the leaves and flowers. Selected monocots from the infinite selection of plants that resound sounds well and are ideal for becoming speakers. At the launch event, participants listened to the voices and took in the music of Shinichi Osawa, designed around nature with their whole body. A new musical experience with the theme of nature has taken form from this event. Singing Nature.